careful with it.
It's old, I know.
Look at that.
Keep pushing. It's moving slowly. Be careful with this.
Got it.
Watch the rust.
Right, let's get it out.
Impact wrench next?
Yep, ready.
Okay, seats now.
1, 2, 3, lift.
All right, just a few more bolts on this manifold.
Carefully now, don't drop it.
Got it. Workbench, here we go.
Perfect fit in the solvent bath.
All right, bumpers are tight. Wheels are secured. Just need to polish the hood now. It's looking perfect.
Please subscribe, like, and share.